So myself Mahesh Tiwari, I am the regional head for Skoda Auto. We have introduced this special edition called Zeal, which is available in the entire product range of Skoda, which starts from Rapid, followed by Octavia, Superb and Yeti. We have introduced this model basis on the customer feedback which we have received. The customer is talking about enrichment, so we have a Alcantara seat which gives the premium look. The black interior which gives a more Indianized stuff, because in Indian conditions where the car get dirty too much, so we have the black interior introduced as per the customer needs. We have also changed some of the interiors to just match with the black interior, like the dashboard, the below part of the dashboard and all, which is available in the three variants, which will be mainly in Octavia, Superb and Yeti. And on Rapid we have altogether a different need, because the customer base is different. So there we have added features like navigation system, parking sensors, again the premium seats which are beige interiors. So this is about the Zeal edition. As far as market is concerned, we have Andhra Pradesh is our one of the key market, wherein it contributes about 9% of the overall sales. We are hopeful that the market will improve with the budget in line, and we are optimistic that the market will grow, and along with the market we will also grow. We are exclusive partners with Mahavir. We are partnered with him for over 12 years now. We are very happy. He is one of the topmost dealer for us. In our internal ranking, he comes in top 5. So as we said that we have our management has given the directive. So I would like to reserve my comments onto it. That the sales, as far as sales is concerned, we are very hopeful that the market will improve and we will take it over onto the volumes.